Okay, let's go to our project again. Okay, let's go to main file and just create one package. Let's say foo file foo.go. Now we had function hello. Okay, let just print. Foo. Okay, let's assume that now we had implemented the hello functions that we want in our project, and we don't want it, this dependency from the hello package. Okay, so now we will just delete this. Okay, delete this code and import our package. Okay, it's foo dot hello. Okay, now we need to import this foo package from our module. Okay, so how we can import that? So as I told earlier, just we use this module path as a prefix, and the relative path of this foo package with the help of our current root directory of the project. So here you can see is that foo package is present inside this go module command. So its relative part will be /foo. So /foo. Okay. Just
below one, Mahesh, the one which got vanished just now.
Hello. So
try Control Z on this.
Let's go to the package and just copy paste here. Add the go module path, then add prefix relative path. Okay, now you can see that our project is get successfully built. Okay, in this way we can import the other packages where we require in when we are using go modules. The module path plus the relative path of the package we need to import. Okay, and now you can see is that there is no hello package where hello package is used, but our go.mod file contains the entry of this package hello. Okay, let's execute the command from here, just here. Okay, just there. Okay. Just cat. Now execute. Okay, now you can see the clearly difference that go mod tidy has cleared the entry of the hello package from the go.mod file. Okay, in this way go mod tidy keep our go.mod file and go.sum file clean. Okay, now you can see that there is no entry of the package inside the go.sum file. So our aim is to keep our code base clean and the go.mod file and go.sum file as a clean, so it is easy to maintain. Okay.